Okay, so calculating elasticity. This is super simple. I did some math last night and I kind of understood it by going off this chart right here. Now, there's three steps to finally finding what the elasticity is. Step one, you have to calculate percent change in price. Okay, so first you're looking at price. So you would take the original price of an item and subtract that from the new price and then divide that by the original price. Always multiply by 100, and then you're going to get your percent change in price. That's step one. Step two, you're going to calculate percent change in quantity demanded. How much are you buying continuously? That's your original quantity demanded. So, say you originally would buy 5 candy bars a day, and then your new quantity demanded, you're going to decrease that to maybe 1 or 2 because of the price change. And then you divide that by quantity demanded, original, and you multiply by 100, and then you get that percent change in quantity demanded. Step three, you calculate percent change in elasticity. Percent change in quantity demanded divided by percent change in price equals your elasticity. Keep in mind, economists think that your numbers probably will always be negative, like negative percentages, maybe negative elasticity, because most of the time, if a price increases and um, you're not used to buying that much, your demand is going to fall. So you're going to have that influx of numbers. Keep in mind that if you get a negative number, you drop that negative and it just looks positive. Okay, so if you get negative 14%, drop the negative and you're going to get 14% because it's easier to look at numbers that way. It's easier to graph that way. That's why they do it. So that's how you calculate elasticity. This is super simple if you follow step by step, okay? Another thing that I can tell you is that depending on what you get for your um, elasticity, depending on what you've put in for original quantity demanded or original price compared to the new price or the new quantity demanded, you can see whether or not you're purchasing inelastic or elastic. So, for example, if the original price is $3 and the new price is $7, that's going to be inelastic right off the bat. Okay, or I'm sorry, it's going to be elastic, not elastic. My bad. It's going to be elastic because that price went crazy high and you're not going to be buying that same demand anymore. And then if the price changes slightly by 50 cents, it's going to be inelastic. Okay, so keep that in mind. You're going to be doing at least 3 problems, okay, by finding the elasticity. And I want you to use this picture to help you. I'm also going to post this picture separately just in case you don't want this video playing or if you want to pause it. I don't know. But focus and it will be super simple once you figure it out. I'll just go over your math after I see it, and there's no right or wrong answer. How you can upload this is you can take pictures if you want to do it by hand, and you can upload them that way into your assignment. That might be the best way for you to do it. Just please write legibly. If you want to type this in some type of way, I guess you could. Just please be specific. And also, you're going to pick the 3 different price. Well, you're going to pick the 2 different prices on step 1, and then you're going to pick the demands on step 2, and then you're going to take 1 and 2, and then use that for 3. Okay. So good luck. If you need me, email me, and I'll try my best to explain this better.